First things first, I appreciate your support. Guys, a quick one. You wonder why your machine is tearing clothes? This. Check pockets before doing laundry, because once this is hooked here, you see, this is perforated. So once it's hooked somewhere there, when it's spinning, it does this to your clothes. So imagine it's hooked this way and the clothes are spinning at 1200 revolution per minute. Don't mess your good clothes because of ignorance. Check pockets before doing laundry. If not, you will lose your favorite garment. You will lose your favorite cloth. Check pockets before doing laundry. Hey, remember to book for maintenance.